Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video about the best crypto to buy right now. You guys can see already on the screens Bitcoin Cash. But am I serious? Or maybe this cryptocurrency isn't ready to be bought. Is this the top altcoin to be bought today? Well, let's talk about it, because currently the market in Bitcoin Cash is not doing all too much in terms of price movement. It's been trading within a range ever since we did our last price prediction in Bitcoin Cash right there on February the 7th. We anticipated back then in the beginning of February looking for Bitcoin Cash to go lower, and it did that. But then all of a sudden, right there on the 20th of February, at the end of the month, you all can see how Bitcoin Cash completely ran up, got caught at this sell pocket that we created, and ever since then price has been going lower. So what now? Let's talk about it. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe here for more information. The spot, the location that you're going to get a price prediction in a simplistic way, in order for we all can see that we can participate in the market. You don't have to be some technical expert, some analyst to figure out where price is going to go. All you have to do is figure out the language of the markets, and then you all will be able to participate and follow the trend. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So since this price prediction has been on our chart for such an extremely long period of time, since beginning of February, here it is, we're about to embark on April. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. Hopefully he was able to grab something out of Bitcoin Cash as price came into our price target area. The low of this cryptocurrency came right here. Let's go ahead and take that off. The low of this cryptocurrency came on the 20th of February, 15.92% at $275.34. Okay. We will also get rid of these pockets of selling here, here, and here. Okay. Given that that's the case, we will introduce new pockets of selling right there. And we're going to take this one away and change it to where those sellers really were. All right. So we got the new landscape. We know where the sellers are. We know where the buyers are. So now you can see Bitcoin Cash trading in between this area. So let's see whether or not the market is gaining momentum to break out or gaining momentum to break down. Right now the market looks like it's gaining momentum to break down. When I look at this on the wiki chart, just keeping it a buck, right there is weakness. Okay, this last weekly price bar also is weakness, albeit both of those two weekly price bars, the price spread has been getting smaller. So maybe the buyers may actually come through and actually try to lift price in Bitcoin Cash. Look at this. Have you noticed? Look at where the open and close of these price bars are. Why is it nesting in right around this area right here? What is going on? Someone is manipulating the market in Bitcoin Cash. You can't tell me out of all of these weekly price bars that price is able to close close to or around prior areas of open and closes of price bars, unless someone is manipulating and purposely trying to equate or balance out price in Bitcoin Cash. That's exactly what's going on. Someone is controlling the markets, and that has always been the case ever since exchanges were created, since the foundation of cryptocurrency exchanges, since the foundation of the stock market. Someone has to create a market, because when you see two separate people who have no idea to converse and communicate price, someone has to stand in the middle so that he or she can coordinate. Hey, you want to buy at that price? Cool. Here you go. Oh, you want to sell at that price? Okay, cool. Sell it to me. And he stands in the middle, making all of these transactions. They are the ones that are moving the price. That's why I have that icon, my logo right there on the bottom left of the screen. That is the trap. He's the one that is trying to catch you in bad trades. Here's Bitcoin Cash on the 2. Thankfully, we're able to have this information called a price chart that gives us a heads up as to what he's been up to, where he's trying to move the market, so that we can get ahead of him. The 2 weekly bar right there in Bitcoin Cash doesn't look bullish. And here it is on the 3. What do you guys think? Here it is on the 5. Bitcoin Cash on the month. Since we were about to embark in April, 6 more days, 14 hours left. Look at the monthly price bar for March for Bitcoin Cash. Here it is on the 5. Bitcoin Cash on the 4. Here it is on the 3. Look at that 3-day bar right there. So maybe Bitcoin Cash isn't the best crypto to buy now. What do you guys think? I'm just looking at the price chart. You and I are looking at the price chart for what it is, and it doesn't look bullish. Bitcoin Cash on the 2. What do you think happened right here on that 2-day price bar? Why is the spread so small? Following this last massive spread price bar on the 2, why didn't the price go lower? Well, you got it right. Exactly. Because this is where those buyers are. So we at least know closer into where price is currently trading that this is where buyers in Bitcoin Cash are stating that they are willing to buy this cryptocurrency. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. You guys can see a little bit cleaner on the 5-hour where they're at. Okay. See it right here. Now, crazy part is that we're not really seeing the market break out from this area. We would like to see it completely move up to like $350 to $360. Instead, we're seeing a minor move to like $335, and that's it. We need to see them continue to try to lift this cryptocurrency price up. Here it is on the 330. Okay. We can take it all the way back to here for this area of buying as well on a 330. Right there. So what should we do? Should we come in and anticipate Bitcoin Cash to go higher? Or should we look for this cryptocurrency to go lower? I would say it depends on your preference of time of when you're trying to enter the market and leave. If you're looking to hold Bitcoin for the long term, I would say pump the brakes. I would say that this cryptocurrency is not a buy in the long term. Short term, we can see a small pop. Like I said, off the 5-hour chart, off the 1-hour chart, off the 330, we are seeing instances to where this cryptocurrency wants to go higher, but it may not have enough legs to really break out to hit 360, because that is the next point to where we can see resistance or selling pressure increase. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to anticipate Bitcoin Cash going higher, and we're going to anticipate that the market's going to try to hit our first target is going to be around like I said 345, 350. That will give us 6.39% there. Second target is going to be at this first sell pocket at 357, 8.41% there. At the high of that sell pocket is going to give us around 13.5%. So we'll look for the market at Bitcoin Cash to tag us out right around those areas. And then that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.